When you see innocent people being blown away, you have two choices: either to ignore it or do something about it. I choose to do something about it. My name is Maram Akufi. I've lived in Australia for 12 years. I came here as a refugee because of war between the Ethiopian government and my nation, Oromo. I belong to the Oromo nation, which is the largest nation in Ethiopia and has been oppressed by the different Ethiopian governments for more than a century. Back at home, I was a teacher, teaching kids deep in the countryside. One day, for some unknown reason, government forces came to my school and they attacked us. We ran to the bush as fast as we could. When the army started shooting us from every corner, we started to run in every direction to save our lives. To rescue the children, teachers carried them on their backs. But I'm not sure how many children were killed, wounded, or went missing that day. It still remains a nightmare for me. Without any preparation or warning, we were forced to run away. We walked for weeks to cross the border of Sudan, and I stayed there in a refugee camp for 8 years. We had very little food and water. Dangerous animals were always around. We often got lost in the desert and walked without hope, not knowing where we are going and what to expect. Many people died on that journey. Life in the refugee camp was hard. You have limited rights, and although you are not in prison, emotionally you are not well. You live today, but you are dreaming of tomorrow. When you are in the camp, you are disconnected from everything you know, your family, your old life. Every day you live with grief and loss, which you always carry on your shoulders. But you have to have determination and think tomorrow is different. I can change my life. That is how you survive. When I came to Australia, it was exciting but difficult to get used to new things and understanding how things work. Despite this, later on I became part of the Oromo Support Group, which is a support service for Oromo refugees all around the world. A group of us formed the Oromo Relief Association of Australia. We send food and clothes and help to set up shelters for all refugees in the Horn of Africa. Right now, one of the shelters that we set up is being used by newly arrived refugees in Nairobi. Because of this shelter, they are able to learn reading and writing and how to look after their health. It also gives them a safe place to stay, because without shelter, there is no protection from killings and abductions, which are common. Although we are making a progress, we need volunteers, we need support, we need funding. Through all that I have been through, I have learned personal initiative, determination, and the belief that you can bring change. When I do help others, I get satisfaction because I feel like I contribute to making their lives different, to help them survive. Everyone has the right to live a peaceful life with dignity.